Hi students, in last class we completed up to four sums. Now fifth sum is full and full homework for you. How you want to do that I am going to explain now. For a sum, first you have to multiply 26 and 40 minus 48, then you have to multiply these two numbers, then the two answers you have to add, then means you will get the answer. B sum is first you have to multiply 8 into minus 125, then you have to multiply with 53, then you will get the answer. Okay. Next is C sum. C sum also as well as like the A sum only. First two numbers. You have to multiply the first two numbers first, then you have to multiply these two numbers, add the answers. Then again you have to multiply these two answers. Here as well as these two numbers you have to multiply. Here also same as the A sum. Here also same as the same. First you have to subtract 50 minus 2, then the answers you have to multiply with 7. Okay, then here you have to multiply this two number and then this two number, then two answers you have to add. Here as usual multiplication. Here also you have to multiply first, then answer you have to add with 57. Okay, that's all. Like this you have to do the fifth sum. Now we will move to the sixth sum. Sixth sum, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? I will explain in Tamil. ஒரு freezing process நடக்குது. அதில் எப்படின்னா first starting temperature 40 degrees Celsius இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு மணி நேரத்துக்கும் 5 degrees Celsius ஆகும் குறைஞ்சிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். ஆனால் அவங்க என்ன கேட்குறாங்கன்னா 10 ஹவர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் அந்த ரூமில் எவ்வளோ டெம்பரேச்சர் இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ decreasing temperature for every hour, that is 1 hour. 1 hour எவ்வளோ டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் குறையுது? 5 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. அவங்க எத்தனை மணி நேரத்துக்கு அப்புறம் கேட்குறாங்கன்னா 10 ஹவர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம். ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் 10 hour equal to this 5 into 10. So we will get 50 degrees Celsius. It is decreasing. So we want to keep subtraction. So we have to keep temperature. So temperature of room after 10 hours. Temperature of the room after 10 hours equal to starting is 40 degrees Celsius. Each in 10 hours it is decreasing 50. So decreasing, so we have to keep minus. So minus 50 degrees Celsius. It is integer subtraction I am doing here. For greatest number is 50, sign is minus, smallest is 40, the sign is plus. So minus into plus, subtraction. First number sign is minus. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. So the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. Decreasing temperature of every hour is 5 degrees Celsius. After 10 hour equal to 5 into 10, that is 5 into 10, 50 degrees Celsius. After the 10 hour, it will reduce to 50 degrees Celsius will be reduces. Okay. Temperature of room after 10 hours equal to 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. If you subtract, you get minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now we will start the seventh sum. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answers and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answers and 0 for questions not attempted. Okay, I will explain in Tamil. ஒரு class test நடக்குது. அதில் எத்தனை questions இருக்கு? 10 questions இருக்கு. இதில் 5 marks. 5 marks எதுக்குன்னா கரெக்டான கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சர் நீ கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் எழுதினா அதுக்கு 5 மார்க். ஓகேவா? சப்போஸ் தப்பாக ஆன்சர் எழுதினா அதுக்கு மைனஸ் 2 மார்க். தப்பாக எழுதினா மைனஸ் 2 மார்க். 0 மார்க் எதுக்குன்னா நீ அந்த கொஸ்டின் அட்டெம்ப்டே பண்ணல, அதை டச் பண்ணவே இல்லை அப்படின்னா 0 மார்க்ஸ். இதில் மோகன்கிறவங்க டெஸ்ட் எழுதுறாங்க. மோகன் gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? மோகன் எவ்வளோ கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் எழுதியிருக்காரு? 4 and 6 incorrect answers. ஸோ மோகனோட ஸ்கோர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ மோகன் equal to 4 correct answers plus this incorrect answers. 6 incorrect. We know for corrected answers we get 5. So 4 into 5. For incorrect minus 2. 4 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 6 into 2 12 minus plus into minus minus. Okay, so 20, I am taking out this bracket, plus into minus 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 12. So 20 minus 12 we will get 8. So Mohan's score is 8 mark. We will move to the next sum. Next question is Reshma get 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her school? Her name is Reshma. Reshma get 5 correct plus 5 incorrect. Correct answers means we will get 5 marks. Incorrect is minus 2. So 5 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2. Here 5 into 5, 25 plus 5 to plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10. So 25. I am taking out this bracket, plus into minus minus, so minus 10. So 25 minus 10 is 15. So the answer is 15. Reshma get 15. Now third sum, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Okay, Hina 2 correct, 5 incorrect, 3 questions she doesn't attempt. Okay, Hina equal to 2 correct into 5 incorrect plus 3 not attempted. For correct we have 5 marks. So 2 into 5 for incorrect minus 2 marks. So 5 into minus 2. For not attempted we get 0. Now I am multiplying this. 5 2 5s are 10 plus 5 2s are 10. Here minus plus for this 0. So here 10 plus into minus 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 10. Therefore 10 minus plus 0 means that also 0 only. 10 only. So 10 minus 10 0. So Hina get 0 marks. We will move to the next question. Next question. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. I will explain in Tamil. ஒரு cement companyல ரெண்டு வகையான cement வந்து சேல் பண்றாங்க. white cement இன்னொன்னு வந்து grey cement. ஓகேவா? grey cement இன்னொன்னு white cement. white cement சேல் பண்ணா 8 rupees வந்து profit கிடைக்கும். grey cement சேல் பண்ணா 5 rupees வந்து loss ஆகும். ஓகேவா? Next the question. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? For that I am going to solve. Okay, profit. When we get profit for selling white bags only. So white bag, how much they sell? 3000. For one white bag they get 8 rupees profit. So we are going to multiply this 3000 with 8. Profit equal to white bags. While selling the white bags only, we will get profit, that is 8 rupees. For one bag 8 rupees, but they sold 3000 rupees. So 3000 bags. So if you want to multiply this, 8 3s are 24. This 000. This is the profit they get. Okay, now loss. Loss is when they will get loss while selling the grey cement, they will get loss. Now they are selling 5000 grey cement, 5000 bags of grey cement. So loss equal to grey cement. How much loss? They get 5 rupees loss. How much they sell? 5000. So 5 into 5, 25, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So profit 24,000. They get loss 25,000. Overall, they will, while comparing this itself, we know they get loss only. So therefore, it is loss. How much they will get? Profit is 25, loss is 24, profit is 25. So comparing this, we itself we know our loss is 1000 rupees. Okay, that's all. We will move to the next question. What is the number of white cement bag is mass sale to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags. Okay, they are telling, I will explain in Tamil. White bag வந்து எவ்வளோ சேல் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. இந்த ப்ராசஸில், அதாவது இந்த சேலிங்கில் ப்ராஃபிட்டும் கிடையாது, லாஸும் கிடையாது. ப்ராஃபிட் லாஸ் ரெண்டும் கிடையாது அப்படின்னா ப்ராஃபிட்டும் லாஸும் ஈக்குவல். ஸோ ப்ராஃபிட் ஈக்குவல் டு லாஸ். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னன்னா, ஒயிட் சிமெண்ட் வந்து எப்போ நமக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்கும்? ஒயிட் சிமெண்ட் சேல் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்கும். ப்ராஃபிட் எவ்வளோ கிடைக்கும்? ஒரு பேக்குக்கு 8 rupees கிடைக்கும். இங்கே நம்பர் ஆஃப் பேக்ஸ் நமக்கு தெரியாது, அதனால எக்ஸ்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். லாஸ் நமக்கு எப்போ கிடைக்கும்? கிரே பேக் சேல் பண்ணும்போது லாஸ் கிடைக்கும். எவ்வளோ லாஸ் கிடைக்கும்? ஒரு பேக்குக்கு 5 rupees லாஸ். ஸோ 5 இன்ட்டு எவ்வளோ பேக் சேல் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? 6400. ஸோ இதை நம்ம வந்து கிராஸ் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறேன். இந்த எக்ஸ் இங்கே இருக்குது. இஃப் த 8 come this side means it will come and divide. So 5 into 6400 divided by 8. I am cancelling this. 1 8 is 8. 8 8s are 64. This 00. Okay. If I multiply this, say 5 into 800 means 5 8s are 40. This 00. So how many white bags they sold? 4000 white bags they sold. That's all. We will continue. Now 9th sum. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true. We want to fill the number in this dash. Okay. Now you have to first see the sign first. Minus, here they are giving plus. So here also it wants to be minus. Then only minus into minus plus we will get in the answer. நான் explain தமிழ்ல பண்றேன். இங்க minus இருக்கு, but answerல என்ன இருக்கு? plus இருக்கு. So minus into minus தான் plus. So அப்போ இங்க என்ன sign தான் வரும்? minus sign தான் வரும். Next 3 into which number gives 27? 3 9s are 27. So minus 9. Now you have to check minus into minus plus. 3 into 9 27. Next sum. 5 into dash gives minus 35. Here answer is in minus, but question there is no minus. So we need minus. So minus. Here it wants to become minus. 5 into which number gives 35? 5 7s are 35. So here it will come minus 7. Now you have to multiply and check. Plus into minus, minus 5 into 7, 35. We got the answer. Next sum. Here also like this only. You have to write the answer for this 2 dashes. This is the homework for you. Next class we will continue the next exercise. Thank you dears. Copy it in your note. Thank you.